Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Candy Crush password. First, open the Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. Once the app is loaded, locate and tap the settings icon, which typically looks like a small gear or cogwheel. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled My Account or simply Account to access your profile settings. This is the initial step to securing your game. Next, within your account settings, you will need to find the specific option to modify your password. This might be labeled Change Password or Edit Profile. It's important to note that if your Candy Crush account is linked through Facebook, you will need to update your password directly on the Facebook platform, not within the game itself. However, if you are using a standalone King account, you can proceed with the in-app password change process. Now, to change your password, you will first be prompted to enter your current password into the designated field for verification. After that, carefully type your desired new password. Make sure it meets any security requirements, such as being at least 8 characters long and including at least one uppercase letter. Finally, re-enter your new password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy and prevent typos before moving forward. Once you have entered and confirmed your new password, tap the Save or Confirm button to finalize the changes. Your Candy Crush password will then be updated. For optimal security, always choose a strong, unique password that combines a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider utilizing a reputable password manager to securely store your credentials, making it easier to manage multiple strong passwords without needing to memorize each one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.